Episode 15. Check this sweater out, boys. What do you guys think of this? Today's Christmas. It's not actual Christmas, but today's our Christmas. See, I told you we go home in a week, and because of that, we're having like Friendsmas with Emerson and Morgan and stuff. We're having like our own little Christmas tonight in BC before we go home for real Christmas. I guess we're having Christmas with you too. This car has been dead for a while. I let the battery die by mistake one time when I was filming inside the car last night. It was supposed to be a huge windstorm. I literally pushed this car into the garage all by myself in the rain, dead. And it didn't even have a windstorm last night, so it's fantastic news. I keep the Civic in the garage just because I feel like the Civic's an easier car to steal, like straight up. That's why I keep it in here. But as soon as I heard there was gonna be a storm, I'm like, yo, get this Civic out of here. Beersy's gotta go in the garage. Started this morning, we just went and looked at a house, and like I know a lot of you guys comment I should get a shop, but like living in Vancouver is really expensive, so to rent a house and a shop separately is like a lot. So what we're trying to do is just find like a house with a decent sized garage. So we went and checked another house out this morning. It's all right. I don't know, we're having a hard time finding something. I think we've been spoiled with our place because we moved into like a fully redone, all the appliances, like everything's like brand new. So like every time we look at like that was a full-size house, it's older. I don't know how old, but we just keep finding like janky, like the house is it would be a perfect house, but it's kind of janky. You know what I'm saying? Ornaments. What are you doing? You just knocked the reindeer. What are you doing? You're crazy. So do you guys remember when I said this to Emerson? Can you just smile for my thumbnail? I don't know what my video is gonna be called, but you're gonna be the thumbnail. And then I made it into a thumbnail, and then we were having a really hard time. Well, I was having a really hard time when we first started shopping, like for Christmas gifts. I had no idea what to get him. I got him, aside from like the other things, this is just like a funny one I thought I'd share with you guys. I got him the best gift ever. Look at this mug. Look at this. I literally just made a collage of that exact photo on this whole entire coffee mug for the kid. Oh, dude. This is my favorite gift, literally ever. The best thing that I've ever done in my life. The more you look at it, the better it gets. Like, it's just like the most awesome coffee mug in the world. Is it just me, or every single time you guys want to play Forza, is there like an 8 gigabyte update, and you just have to keep deleting games to make more room for one game? Oh no, what the hell did I hit? I straight up hit nothing. How do you drive stick? You just press the gas really hard, and then you put the knob. You just gotta push it really quickly. Hey. This thing runs so much better with the new distributor in it, well, the rebuilt one. Like, I literally don't think it's ever started so nicely in its entire life. Emerson hasn't driven this car since I rebuilt the distributor, because I did it like yesterday or the day before. But it's like weird how much of a difference it makes. Like, you feel, you guys were commenting it too, you're like, that makes sense. You feel it in like the power, you feel it everywhere. It's super weird. It's like driving a whole new car. Really? Like it just reacts better all the way around. It might not be happy because it's cold, but that might have been a distributor issue. I haven't drove it in the cold yet. I have no idea. My favorite pastime seems to be in these videos when I have nothing to do, or I have any excuse really, I just go boost. I literally take any excuse to go boost in this car. And you guys are starting to figure that out. I'm just like, oh, we'll put this in and we'll give it a test drive, make sure it works, but I know it works. I just like to boost. Head on with the Super.
Dude. Oh my gosh.
First time driving?
Yeah, it's been so long. I'm stuck to, or I'm used to just freaking remote start, get in the truck, key in, drive, go.
The automatic luxury life. Oh dude, this guy's backing up his trailer in the middle of a 4-lane road. Oh, right over the curb. See you later. Is this your first time backing up a trailer, mate? Oh, it is, dude. He's literally in the bush. I was trying to think of a good Tim Hortons joke, but came up blank. You got anything? I came up blank. I focused on Tim Hortons and I was like, no, nothing.
No, not at all.
Well, I'm just gonna leave that there for you guys then.
Oh, it is smoother.
It is, right?
Holy!
There's no like lagging and weird shit.
It's very like, yeah, there's turbo lag, but like from before, it was just like, you know, like.
Yeah. It was like you were never fully on it.
It was like stuttering.
And if you hit redline, it shoots big flames.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to warm up first.
Is that squirrely?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Slippery when frosty, that's what that sign says.
Really?
Yes. Wow, it sounds a lot more like it's gonna come through the hood in the passenger seat. It's sketchy. It's so sketchy. In the driver's seat, I feel like I have total control. In the passenger seat, I feel like we're about to blow up. I didn't realize. That's why you always yell at me.
It's so scary being at the passenger side.
It's crazy how fast you still get to 100 and you're not even gripping.
I actually saw flames for once.
Did you?
Like in person.
Yeah, dude, they're real. They really happen. Okay, let me get out here and then just do a couple of like...
I was gonna pull in. And
Oh, okay.
walk out with the camera and you do it.
Okay. Break the car, bro. Have fun with it. Have fun with it. Drive it.
I'm here to fix.
Oh my god. I was gonna try and do like a hard ass pull, and then I got on it and I was like, damn, I didn't realize how close you are to me.
This one. Oh, broke the handle!
Oh no. Oh my god, you broke it right off!
I know!
Bruh.
That's what I'm saying!
Did you at least get the flames?
I think so. I wonder if my motor's gonna last this long.
Dude, if the Civic motor lasted this long, your motor will be fine. This thing has 336,000 kilometers on it. And when we got it, the oil change was like 10,000 kilometers overdue. Do you remember that? It was like a 5,000 kilometer interval. It had been like 15,000 since the last oil change. Good, bro. It still runs. You'll be fine. At least you care about your motor. Sort of. But I will shoot one last flame. I looked down and I was like, that's the speed limit. Gone. Hey kids, sorry we're late for dinner.
You got stuck?
We got pulled over.
Actually, Pinky promise?
At IKEA.
No, you didn't. Oh, you might have, because I was following you on Google and you got stuck there for a while. What happened there?
we did some drive-bys. Oh! I don't think Chinese dinner is too important. I think what's important is we have 2 gingerbread houses, and me and Courtney are gonna build one, and Emerson and Morgan are gonna build one, and then you guys are gonna pick which one's better. So I think that's the more important part of today's video. How you doing, buddy? How's it going? Emerson's house, literally, they didn't put enough. What do you
No,
want?
we
What do you
did.
call it?
He just didn't hold it long.
Emerson didn't.
It was okay.
Hot topic, and I don't know how it went down. Emerson let go of the house, and the roof slid apart, and all the candy they had here literally vanished right into the house. We're having technical difficulties. But me and Courtney, for some reason, thought it was a race, and we just tore through ours. So
Went to Mexico, then came back.
she went to Mexico and came back with her boobs busted out still. You're crazy, man. So this has to be completely unbiased, just based on your guys' opinion. What can you give us a rundown so we know what's going on? I don't know. Why is this guy blocking your door? How does someone get into the house?
Because, okay, so his wife just came home from Mexico. So he's home to greet her. and this is their tree outside, and then that's the grass, and that's the snow, and the heat.
Did they have a windstorm? Is that why the tree's falling?
No, Emerson's just didn't put it properly.
What a cute story. Ours is, this is the house, snowman, gingerbread man, he's kind of hidden, and our tree. Before you guys start voting, this is based on full house quality. Yeah. This is not curb appeal. Okay, so now you guys get to vote. This is house 1, and this is gonna be house 2. You guys vote 1 or 2. And now that you guys have voted, I was gonna say we're gonna do something, but we've been waiting for Black Ops to download for a couple hours, and it's still got a couple hours. It's like 40%, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for spending Friendsmas with us, and don't have anything else to show you guys. So today's video is probably short, but I hope you enjoyed Friendsmas. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out, and stay committed.